God, it wasn't you up there with all your 4 feet, was it? You break that door off.
He's liable to. So yeah, that's not lady like.
The better drivers or the more experienced drivers, not necessarily better drivers. More experienced drivers, given that information, we got back to Elsie, Larry. What I needed in the car to keep you up front all day long.
No, but he didn't have.
Rookie, man, you didn't give enough information when we first got the pit stops in there. Speaking of experience, Scott Briggs. This is for 5th place. I could get just a little wee bit worried if I was the competition and the old 24 car started slipping
Give
up
a
in
nice
the field.
smile, Mike, instead of
Remember,
stupid.
Scott Briggs in the 10 car, and we're getting close
Oh, come
to
on.
100 laps to go. He's been fighting the flu all weekend. In fact, he had an IV before the race, and it's hot out there right now.
That's not uncommon, Larry. Drivers today, when they know it's going to be a little warm like it is today, a lot of them go to the end of the year